Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. And today is going to be a fun one. You clicked on this video because you want a remote job at night. So I know moms are very busy people. Sometimes during the day, we're doing our 9 to 5, we're taking care of kids, we're doing all these different things. And we just want to set aside a few hours to earn some income when all the kids are asleep. And we don't want to be on the phone doing customer service, basically being loud and talking on the phone. So these jobs that I set aside for you today are just that. They are not customer service. You will not have to be on the phone. And yes, you have the flexibility to do them at night. So let's jump into number one. Number one is Measurement Incorporated, and this is a company that hires people to score students' tests, students' essays. So what you're going to be doing is grading tests, looking at essay responses and grading those based on the criteria that they give you. You're also going to be following a guided rubric to grade the papers and grade the essays and things like that. Now, I will say this one is really flexible and you can do this one at night. It's no calls, it's no customer service. But this one does happen to be seasonal and you do need at least a bachelor's degree to do this one. The reason why moms like this company is because it's quiet, it's flexible, you can work after your kids go to bed, and their pay is usually around $15 to $20 an hour. Company number two is userinterviews.com. And so what this company wants you to do is they will pay you to give your opinion on their platform. You're going to be giving your opinion on apps, on websites, on actual products, all of your shopping habits. They want to know how you shop and what you like to buy so that they can use that for their marketing data so that they can market to people more effectively. Sometimes you're going to be answering surveys. Sometimes you're going to be on a Zoom interview and those pay a little bit more. Sometimes you're going to be testing applications and seeing how they work and giving your feedback about what works and what doesn't work, what's easy to use and what's not easy to use. Some of the studies are literally like, tell me how you grocery shop. And so you'll go through, I go grocery shopping by going to this store. It's my favorite store. And I start out in the frozen section or I start out in the produce section because blah, blah, blah. And it's easy to do this and it's hard to do that. They pay around $50 to $150. And the Zoom interviews are anywhere from 20 minutes to 45 minutes. So if you have 20 to 45 minutes to make $150, then that portion of this platform is right for you. So why moms like this? Because you can do it at night, whether you're homeschooling, you have a baby at home, you have a toddler, you need the extra flexibility and the extra income, and you can even do this 2 or 3 hours during the day if you can find 2 or 3 hours during the day, or you can do this at night when everybody's asleep. I do want to say a little disclaimer, this is not going to replace a full-time job. This is just in addition to your full-time job, or if you're a stay-at-home mom and you want to bring in a little bit of money for groceries or whatever you happen to have to pay for. Number three is study.com. So what you're going to be doing on this website is it's basically a tutoring website. So they need freelance writers, freelance tutors, editors, researchers, you name it. It's a very wide range of freelancers that they need. Obviously, if you're a freelancer, you're going to be able to work from home and all you need is an internet connection. They do pay you twice a month via PayPal. So it's just kind of like every other week, like a regular 9 to 5. But it's not a 9 to 5. This is a freelance gig based website. So most of them require at least a bachelor's degree or a certain amount of years in that field, like 3 or 4 years of expertise in that field. You have to look at each gig description to kind of see what it's requiring, but this is a really good way to do something specific. Whatever you're doing for your 9 to 5 or whatever you have a specialty in, you can go on study.com and look for those jobs and apply for those. So why moms like this company? Because they have jobs that are flexible. You can do them at night. These are not customer service or phone jobs. This is the theme of my whole list. Not being nailed down to the phone and not having to do customer service question and answer back and forth kind of thing. And typically for this website, it really depends on the gig that you get, but the average is around $20 to $40 an hour, depending on your expertise and which client hires you. This is number 4. This is my last one. It's the Amazon Influencer Program. So what you're going to be doing here is you're going to be going around your house, looking at the things you bought on Amazon and filming a short 10 or 20-second video on them and then uploading them to that product. And when that product is purchased, you get a certain commission. So that is a really basic breakdown of it, but you don't even have to have bought it on Amazon. If you have the product, use it and Amazon sells it, you can also film a video on that product and attach it to the product that is being sold on Amazon because it is the same. But if you need a little bit more information on this, I have a step-by-step tutorial on this, and I will link that video down in the description to give you guys more of an overview on how you get started. But what's really good about this is it is very flexible. You're already purchasing these products from Amazon, and now you can make money on Amazon. The good thing is once your video is out and you're earning commission on it, you don't have to touch it or do anything else. It is kind of like setting up your own passive income stream with each and every video that you post on Amazon. So what I did was I wanted to do a little bit of research and see how many moms are making money and how they're doing this and what type of products that they're really going for to post on Amazon. So I joined a few Facebook groups, started asking a little bit of questions. Also, I will let you know that one of my friends started doing this from my tutorial that I had come out last month, and she made about $300 last week, and she still has a 9 to 5, and she does this on the side, just dedicates like 2 hours a day to grabbing things around her house, filming them, and putting those videos up on Amazon. Now, this is not going to be your full-time job, $50,000 to $100,000 a year, or whatever the case may be, but this is a really good way to make additional money. And you can do this at night. You can film your stuff at night while the kids are asleep and then post them before the morning and then see how much money you can make from that. One of my first videos that I did is a vacuum cleaner that I use obviously all the time, and I reviewed that. So there's so many different things around your house that you can just kind of line up and film a video on and enter the Amazon Influencer Program. So I really hope this video helped you guys out. I hope these 4 jobs give you a little bit of an idea of what you can do at night for the summer while your kids are asleep, something that you can do for 2 and 3 hours so that you can dedicate your time and focus to making some extra money for your household. And let me know if this video helped you. Also, if you know somebody who is looking for a remote side hustle or looking for a remote job, go ahead and send them this video. And let me know down in the comments by typing out "I love remote jobs" or the comment "financial freedom," so that I can understand if you guys really like content like this, if this really helps you, and if you go and try out these companies. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.